Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa with 3,865 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with Brock's Superstock cams, a clutch conversion kit, a Superstock EFI module, worldwide ceramic wheel bearings, BT Moto Velocity stacks, a Brock's Performance exhaust, Brock's rear lowering links, an aftermarket kickstand, a front fork strap, T-Rex frame sliders, front axle sliders, a Puge tinted windscreen, Tech-Spec tank pads, a Corbin seat, a DME racing swing arm, a gold chain, and a rear fender eliminator kit. We have installed a new front tire. In stock form, the Hayabusa is powered by a 1340cc inline 4-cylinder engine, putting 197 horsepower and 110 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.3-gallon fuel capacity, the Hayabusa has a 150 to 180 mile range. It has a 31.5-inch seat height and a 582-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output of 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are scratches on the side of the engine, a scratch on the frame slider, scratches on the bar end, and a scratch on the lower fairing. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.